every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and wide, if the ground.
Hey guys, it's me Emily, and today I'm going to be doing my second clean with me on this channel, and there is a lot of Christmas decoration in the background. That's because I filmed it a long time ago. I just never got around to editing it. So please just forget like the Christmas decor. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it.
I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare, I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now. When we both know that deep down.
Yeah, but you're there, you could be anywhere, and these days I don't even care no more. You only be showing me love whenever you've had too much, whatever's been filling your cup. No more, baby, no more.
Got a smoothie break. I know it looks a little disgusting, but it's actually really good. It has spinach, like a little bit of fruit, ice, chia seeds, and apple juice. So I'm going to do a quick haul of what I got when I went shopping. So from Bath & Body Works, oh gosh, I got two things. So the first thing I got was this vanilla shea butter, vanilla buttercream. I also got, well, my mom got this for my sister for her birthday. It has the sweet pea one, which smells so good. It has the body lotion and the spray. And next, from H&M, I got this sparkly sequiny short to wear on a cruise that I'm going on, and I thought it'd be really cute for like New Year's to wear. The last thing that I got was just like a basic, just like a cropped black tank. Now, time to tackle the ground.
You say you can't live without me, so why aren't you dead yet? Why are you still breathing? If you say you can't live without me, then why aren't you dead yet? Why do you say that?
Round your city, round the clock. Everybody needs you. No, you can't make everybody equal. Although you got buku family, you don't even got nobody being honest with you. Breathe till I evaporated. My whole body see-through, transportation handmade, and I know it better than most people.
Guys, right now it's the morning, and I honestly did not finish cleaning my room from last night, so I'm gonna finish it, like try to finish in like 30 minutes and make my bed. Hey guys, so I made my bed, and I thought I was time-lapsing on it because I was doing my film on my phone, but I accidentally put it in slow-mo.
Lips meet.
I'm showing you guys an overview of my room and after I finish cleaning it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and also comment down below some other video ideas, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.